Hey guys, again we are in Copart. That's mean we got ourselves a new build, and I'm here today so I can go pick up the title for the new build. Stay tuned so I can show you exactly what we got, and let's go. There you go guys, so we got the title. Now I already paid for the transportation inside, so they're gonna be delivered it this time. I'm not coming to pick it up, so I think it's easier and better. So we're gonna just do a little bit, change it a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead, head to the business, and then they told me that they're gonna ship it today, so we're gonna be waiting for it. Let's go and wait. The rear flat tire made it difficult for the Jeep to roll, so I was thinking maybe if I get the jumper box I can turn on the vehicle and then it can make it run on its own. Problem is, when I bought this Jeep, I bought it as a non-running car, but at that time I was just trying to see if it's gonna turn on. Unfortunately it did not turn on, so now it's gonna go to step number 2, which is I'm gonna get my other truck and pull it inside. We got the Jeep Wrangler in the shop. This is a Jeep Wrangler TJ, one of the iconic Jeeps. Finally, we were able to get it inside because it was not running. I purchased as not running car, and that's the reason I got it cheap. I'm gonna reveal the price on the end of this video, so stay tuned so I can show you. And by the way, if you are not subscribed, subscribe. We get some epic videos coming soon. So we just got this one. I'm gonna walk you exactly problem that this Jeep has. It has some dents right here on the top, but I'm gonna get you closer. I'm gonna get the camera and show you exactly what problems we got. And the first step that we are going to do is fix this tire, just in case if we need to move this Jeep, it will be easier to move around. let's take it to the shop, try to get it fixed and finish the project. Let's go. That is good. Let's put it back on the Jeep and go to the next step. Let's go. Alright guys, thank you for watching. We are on the end of this video, and then for the next one we're gonna get all the parts that we need to make this beast back again to life, and then from there we're gonna jump to the interior. After that we're gonna go to the exterior, and both of us we're gonna make a decision about what color should we paint this beast. So in that, before that, I told you I'm gonna tell you about the price about this Jeep, how much we got it. We got this one for $1,900. I think only the modification parts on this one, it's more than that. So if not, let me know what you think about that on the comment section below, and then I will see you soon with the next video, and then try to make this one good as soon as possible. Let's go.